We are the LEDucation station.
Welcome to Season 1, Episode 1 of the LEDucation station. Today we have a great day. We're going to be doing the unboxing and a little educational process about our dual USB receptacle outlets. This is a new wave of the future that we're excited about, and we're excited to share it with you and all of our followers. Let's show you exactly what you're going to be getting in this package. This awesome package, by the way. Alright, so you have a pamphlet with the how-tos. You also have an option with the screw plate and the little screws as well. But if you're building a new construction or a remodel, as I said before in previous episodes, this is good. This is really the way to go. Screwless wall plate is modern, it's the new, it's everything everyone wants, and it's super efficient. You're gonna love it. Now here is our actual dual USB receptacle unit that also has the receptacles up here with the shutter system. That new system removes the caps, so no kids can remove caps and potentially have a choking hazard or fit their fingers inside. This is a safe product and is now required in every new construction building or home in California under the Title 24 codes. At least one per home. So that's a new requirement and everyone's going to be having these. It's efficient, it's easy. If you forget your little block for your charger, there you go. You got a USB right there. It never gets better. Alright guys, me and Mia here. We want to tell you a little something important. Opa! Hiya! We want you to subscribe below, follow, share, whatever you guys gotta do. Looking forward to the next episode with you guys. Me and my little booby and their little flower here. Looking forward to next time. Thank you.